Living on a budget doesn't have to mean sacrificing the things you love or living in a state of constant deprivation. Frugal living is all about finding ways to reduce your expenses and stretch your money further. In this video, you will learn how to cut expenses and live on a budget. My name is Darius. Welcome to Personal Finance Insights, the channel that helps you make sense of your money. Our engaging and informative videos cover everything from the basics of budgeting and saving to the intricacies of investing and building wealth. Join our community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about achieving financial success. Please note that our content is for educational purposes only, and we encourage you to seek the advice of a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Subscribe now and start your journey to financial freedom. In this video, we'll explore some practical tips and strategies for cutting your expenses and living on a budget. Without wasting much time, let's dive in. 1. Create a budget. The first step to frugal living is creating a budget. Start by writing down all of your monthly expenses, including bills, groceries, and other necessities. Then, identify areas where you can cut back. For example, you might be able to save money on your grocery bill by meal planning and shopping during sales. Look for ways to reduce your bills, such as negotiating with service providers or switching to more affordable options. 2. Cut back on non-essentials. Frugal living requires a certain level of sacrifice. Look for ways to cut back on non-essentials, such as dining out, entertainment, and shopping. This doesn't mean you can't enjoy these things, but it does mean being more mindful of how often you indulge. 3. Shop smart. When it comes to frugal living, shopping smart is key. Look for deals and discounts, compare prices, and shop for off-brand or generic products when possible. You can also save money by buying in bulk or shopping online. 4. Embrace a minimalist lifestyle. A minimalist lifestyle is all about living with less. By embracing a minimalist lifestyle, you can save money and reduce your environmental impact. This doesn't mean getting rid of all of your possessions, but rather being mindful of what you own, and only keeping what you need and love. 5. Reduce your housing costs. Housing is often the biggest expense for most people. Look for ways to reduce your housing costs, such as downsizing, moving to a more affordable location, or renting out a room in your home. 6. Find free or low-cost activities. Entertainment doesn't have to be expensive. Look for free or low-cost activities in your community, such as hiking, biking, or visiting local museums. You can also find free entertainment online, such as podcasts, ebooks, and streaming services. 7. Learn to do it yourself. Learning to do things yourself can save you money in the long run. Whether it's cooking, home repairs, or DIY projects, there are countless resources available online to help you learn new skills. Frugal living is all about finding ways to live well on less. By creating a budget, cutting back on non-essentials, shopping smart, embracing a minimalist lifestyle, reducing your housing costs, finding free or low-cost activities, and learning to do things yourself, you can live a fulfilling life while staying within your means. With a little bit of effort and creativity, you can make a frugal living work for you. Final thoughts. Frugal living is an excellent way to save money, reduce your stress, and improve your overall quality of life. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this video, you can cut your expenses and live on a budget without sacrificing the things you love. Remember, frugal living is a journey, not a destination, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Thank you for watching Personal Finance Insights. We hope you found our videos informative and valuable in your financial journey. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we look forward to helping you make sense of your money.